I beg make una listen to this video. I beg make una listen to her.
Burkina Faso has done it again. This morning, the world is in shock as President Ibrahim Traore announced the launch of completely free schools for the less privileged and struggling families across the country. Yes, you heard that right. Free education from primary school to university. No registration fees. No hidden charges. Not even a coin from the parents. Everything from school uniforms, books to meals will be paid for by the government of Ibrahim Traore. And his reason? A country must empower every citizen. Whether you have money or not, you deserve education. This bold statement has moved the hearts of many. In villages and cities, poor parents broke down in tears. Some said they had given up on ever sending their children to school. But now they are full of hope. Children who once sold fruits in the streets will now sit in classrooms and dream again. Traore's plan is clear. No Burkinabe child will be left behind. The schools are already under construction, and the first intake is expected to begin very soon. While the West stays silent, Africa is clapping. Burkina Faso is rising. And Traore is leading a revolution, not with guns, but with books.